सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए सबसे पहले वीडियो देखने के लिए।
Tek Zafir Medak Kasvagat Hai.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है जफीर। आप देख रहे हैं टेक जफीर। लेट स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो।
This is a how-to video, which is wow too. Well, you'll see. Open Samsung Mall. Tap on the sign up button. Now enter your mobile number. Chill, you won't receive any lame jokes. You'll only get an OTP. Confirm that. Alright then, let's get to the point. How to use Samsung Mall when you're at an interesting place. So boring. Focus. That's cute. Tap on the camera icon to launch visual search. Tap on the screen to capture object and adjust the region of interest. Click on the Samsung Mall icon. Let the search begin. Filters are fun, right? Apply some. Select the product. Select the preferred option. Add to cart if you wish to purchase it. If you're only here to kill some time, tap on the heart and move it to your wish list. Now take a good look at your cart. Smile. And click checkout from store to complete your purchase from the portal. It's gone, which means it's on the way. Yay! Interesting, right? How about doing the same using the phone camera? So just turn on your phone's camera and select Samsung Mall. Now look up and click what you like. Now adjust your region of interest and just tap on the Samsung Mall icon. Done! Just go. How to use Samsung Mall when you're reminded of something interesting that your friend sent. Simple. Enjoy the beautiful view. Say hello to the home screen. Select Images option from the menu. Bookmarks, gallery, take a call. Adjust the region of interest and tap on the shop icon. After this, well, you know the drill, don't you? But do you know that you can check your orders under My Order tab? Or else, if you find something interesting in the gallery, just tap on the Samsung Mall icon, adjust the region of interest and begin the search. There you go. How to use Samsung Mall when you have something interesting to say. First, tap on the voice search icon and say what you want. Ceramic coasters. Now, we can only hope you remember what we did the last time. Otherwise, going back is always an option. How to use Samsung Mall when you see something interesting. Click on the search bar. Now, type what you're looking for. Ta-da! How to use Samsung Mall when you want to find something interesting. Life's all about making interesting choices. Category or deals, deals or category. Make one. Keep making choices to filter and reach where you wish to. And then buy. We're done here. For more interesting stuff, go to Samsung Mall.